LCD, charger port, charger cable type C. Vivo, Samsung, Huawei, Apple, Phil, pag stamp kailangan with rubber stamp by machine. Rubber stamp cell kit can personalized stamp. Release e-duplicate by machine. New, Quixen, Alpha, Dope, Tabloid, Honda, CRV, Mazda, Toyota Camry, Mercedes-Benz. Release watch reversal for e-duplicate rubber stamp by machine ID lamination at bumibili ng sirang alahas dito at lumang pera. Matatagpuan dito sa number 34 Masaya Street, Old Capitol Site, Bilco, Quezon City, likod ng Mount Ground. Sir, mabigla ka ba problema dahil di gumagana ang iyong below cellphone? Gusto mo ba ng mura at kalidad na? Rubber stamp by machine, rubber stamp self-ink and by machine o kailangan mo ng duplicate ang iyong susi sa bahay business o sasakyan. Yung Quicks at Alpha Abloy, Mazda, Toyota, Honda, Kawasaki, Yamaha. Huwag kang mag-alala, masosolusyonan agad namin yan. Introduce and release the duplicate by machine. Kung meron problema, Rolex, Omega, Prado, Seiko, at ay pa pa, Willis Watch Rivera, kailangan, battery, strap remote at sasakyan lahat ng battery at may isang taon ng warranty Sony, 626 na Sony, 721 Sony, 920 Maxell, 2016 na Maxell, 2025 Maxell, 2032 Maxell, 1,200 na Maxell, 1,220 lahat at may warranty na isang taon. Rubber stamp battery, personalized name. Release watch repair shop at Apat ng Masaya Street, Old Capitol Site, Bilco, Quezon City, likod ng Mount Ground. Release watch repair shop, Rolex, Omega, Prado, Casio, Citizen, Seiko. Battery, Maxell, Sony, Renata, may isa o dalawang taon na warranty. Ano pa ang hahanapin mo? Release cellphone watch repair shop, Pang logo, LCD, charger port, type C, battery. Release e-duplicate, my machine, Defaulty, Tabloid, CM, Quixen, Toyota, Honda, Yamaha, Kawasaki, Vivo. Release rubber stamp, South Infinity, matatagpuan sa likod ng Mount Stones. Release cellphone, watch repair shop. Sirang alahas, dito, lumang pera, Melon, Rolex, Omega, Tudor, Prado, release watch repair shop, e-duplicate, rubber stamp, self, Indian, release gumagawa sirang relos, cellphone. Release watch repair shops, e-duplicate by machine, rubber stamp, self-ink by machine. Release watch repair shop, nagpapalit battery, remote sa sakyan, remote sa motor, e-duplicate by machine, Defaulty, Honda, Yamaha, Toyota, Mazda, CRV, Mercedes.
Basak, salamin lang.
Anong relos nga? Patingin.
Automatic yan.
Release cellphone watch repair, wala ka nang mahanapin pa.
Seiko.
Release watch repair shop, Rolex, Omega, Prado, Casio, Citizen, Seiko.
350 yung salamin niya.
Ha? 350 sa dalawang taon na warranty. Ano pa ang hahanapin mo?
Anong ilalagay natin kuya sa battery nito? Yung may warranty na isang taon, dalawa? 250. Ang kanyang battery ay 6920.